Hey, hear me out. It may sound gross and absurd, but a poop transplant exists, and it is a powerful treatment for serious disease. A healthy digestive system is home to thousands of bacteria. The intestinal tract includes the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, which is also known as the colon. In most cases, these microbes are harmless or even beneficial to a healthy individual, like bifidobacteria. However, if a person receives repeated or high doses of antibiotics for an infection elsewhere in the body, most of the good bacteria in the intestine may be wiped out, allowing the bad bacteria called Clostridium difficile to take over. Toxin released by Clostridium difficile can damage the lining of the colon, a condition known as Clostridium difficile colitis. C. difficile colitis may be associated with diarrhea, abdominal cramping, or sometimes fever. If you are over the age of 65 and or have chronic illnesses, you may be at higher risk for having more severe infection. Clostridium difficile infection can lead to life-threatening complications such as toxic megacolon, where the colon becomes dangerously enlarged. Clostridium difficile is normally treated with the course of antibiotics, but a recurrent infection occurring between 20 to 60% of patients after an initial episode. The standard treatment for a recurrent infection is antibiotics, including metronidazole, vancomycin, and fidaxomicin. But in cases where these fail, there is a new alternative treatment using bacterial therapy. An emerging solution for patients with recurrent infection is fecal microbial transplantation, or FMT. FMT is a transfer of stool from a healthy donor into the gastrointestinal tract of a patient for the purpose of restoring diverse community of gut bacteria in the colon. Stool samples are obtained from healthy donors and are screened to ensure there are no infectious diseases. There are different ways to introduce the good bacteria, but one common way is with the colonoscopy. First, the stool is prepared by blending it with a normal saline, which is a saltwater solution. Using a colonoscope, this mixture can be applied to the entire length of the colon. Studies have shown that over 90% of patients treated with fecal microbial transplantation is cured, with no significant side effects reported to date. Thank you for tuning in till the end. On to the next episode. I hope you learned something new about bacteria work today. Sincerely, Sarah. Bye.